Dear friends, आज मैथ्स की टॉपिक करेंगे हम लोग, that is average. You know better about that. Average, the chapter which is based on completely on the traditional method. But now we have to start on the basis of fast track. So let's see firstly the chapter name, average. You listen a lot of questions, average, and always you see a lot of questions in your average. But let's see first example we have to take it. How could you start your average? You know about that, the continue consecutive numbers, I think so. All of you know about this thing. Continue consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers. You know the better about this thing. Continue consecutive numbers is what? A number which is start from x. Because you haven't idea about that, the number is taken from where? That's why you have to start from x. X is that x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. So on. We can say that there are the many numbers which is started from the x and getting so on there. So let's see the average. We have to start the question as the, what is the average? You know better about that. Basically the average total sum upon number of events. Number of events. Let's see example. We have to start total sum. It means when a question will be taken like that, average of continue 5 numbers, continue consecutive numbers, average of 5 continue consecutive numbers. Let's start. Average of 5 continue consecutive number is 50. Find the smallest and biggest number. Find smallest and biggest number. Biggest number. Dear friends, how could you start that by solving it? Basically when you start it, there is a need of that the basic method from x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. According to question, total sum. Let's see, you have to write till 5 continue consecutive numbers. How could you start? 1 is x, x plus 1, 2, x plus 2, 3, x plus 3, x plus 4. It means when you have to write continue consecutive numbers, you have to start from x and in with a one number less, like a continue 5 continue consecutive numbers, then you have to write x plus 4 maximum. You can't write an exceed of that the 5. Mostly students write like that x plus 5, but that is wrong because the 5 is last point. That's why we have to take one less when we start from the x, because x is also one number. That's why. So we have to start x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. These all are continue consecutive numbers. According to question and according to formula is what? Total sum. So let's do the sum. Sum plus it. It is sum. And divided by number of events. The number of events is 5. So we have to take the 5 here. Number of events is 5. Equal to average is what? 50. It's a basic method. Dear friends, it's a basic method. You will take more time. You will take more time to do this, like more than 2 minutes maybe. When the calculation is good, then you have to do within the 1 minute to 2 minutes. When your calculation is the bad, then you have to take the more time, more than 2 minutes. So let's see, start for the basically first, multiply with this and add all this x, 5x. Okay, without x we have to add it 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 10 equal 5 into 50. It means 250. Now very simple, 5 you have to subtract from here, 5x equal to 240. Now when you have to find it the x, divide with this 5, 240 divided by 5. 5 fours are 5 eights are. So when you divide with the 5, you will get the 48. It means x is the 48. It means first number is the 48. Now the last number is fifth number, x plus 4, because of the smallest and biggest. So smallest is this. This is the smallest number, and it is the biggest number. X plus 4. So value of x is 48. So you have to put it here, 48 plus 4. 48 plus 4. So right answer is the 52. The answer is 52 and 48. Smallest is the 48, biggest is the 52. Dear friends, it takes time 2 and 3 minutes more than maybe. But we have to manage the time within the 3 to 5 seconds. Definitely you will understand of this thing within 3 to 5 seconds. That's why I'm just starting for that, within 3 to 5 seconds. How could you start the answer? Within 3 to 5 seconds when you have to do it, let's see GSP method. Very easy, very simple. If you mind it about this thing, definitely you will do within 3 to 5 seconds maximum. For those students, those are thinking more. But those students, they understand very fast. They can do it within 1 to 2 seconds also. What you have to do? Firstly, you have to think about what is your average. Average is the 50, and how many numbers here? 5 numbers. So let's see, average is that number which is in the mid, which is in the center, which is in the mid. We can say that the average is that which is in the mid point. Okay, in center point we can take it now, center. Okay, now how many numbers here? 5 numbers. So that's why when you have to make this the center, you have to write ahead 1 1 and decrease 1 1. So we have to write 51, 52, you have to add 1 1 because of continuous number, and you have to decrease 1 1 number because of continuous number. So let's see, 40 is the smallest and 52 is the biggest. So you can match your answer with this. 48 is smallest and 52 is the biggest number. So dear friends, it's the best method for your average question for continued consecutive numbers. So you can do better. Let's see about the average of even and odd continued consecutive numbers. Okay, let's see. Now we can run. Okay, no, don't please. Let's see. Now I'm rubbing it now. So you will just rub all this thing. What is here? Continue consecutive numbers. You started from here what? X, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. But when the number is like that, even continue consecutive numbers, even continue consecutive numbers and odd continue consecutive numbers. What you will do? Even continue consecutive numbers, odd continue consecutive numbers. When you will start these numbers, then you have to write not with the 1. You have to write with the 2 plus 2 plus 2. It means you have to increase always 2. Always 2? Yes, dear. Why you will increase in the odd number always 2 and even number always 2? It is not a matter to that. This is the even number and odd number. The matter is that x is even or odd. When x is even, then all numbers will become even. When x is odd number, all number will become odd number. That's why the changing math that is here coming for the x, not for this 2, 4, 6, 8. That's why now this time we have to understand these things on the basis of a question. Let's see. Now start a one question example here. Average of 5 even continue consecutive number is 60. Question is what? Average of 5 even continue consecutive numbers is 60. Okay, now find smallest and biggest number. The question is simple, very simple here. Average of 5 even continue consecutive number is 60. Find a smallest and biggest number. It is definitely a timetable question, because when you start with the x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 8 and divided with this 5, and now equal to, you have to take it 60, you will get your time. But dear friends, According to my rule, you can do within the 2 seconds only. How? Let's start. I told you that the continuous consecutive numbers and average, what's the relation between them? The average always keep in center. The average is what here? 60. That's why you have to take it the 60 in the center. Okay. Now, how many numbers? 5. And I told you that for the even and odd, we have to start the 2 plus 2 plus 2, not plus 1 plus 1. Okay. But in this continuous consecutive number, we started on there the plus 1, decrease 1, increase 1. But here, increase 2, 62, 64, and decrease 2, 58, 56. By any method, when you will get it, your smallest number will be 56 and biggest number will be 64. So your answer will be biggest number 64 and a smallest number is equal to 56. Your answer. Without any calculation, without any method, you have to do within the 3 to 5 seconds only. So for our next video, I will come once again with you. So please keep and subscribe YouTube channel and just watch it, this like the different method by which way you can understand and do your fast question your examinations. Thank you. Thank you. Because just a matter of this complete question based on time management. Okay, that's all. Thank you.